If you want to rename files in Google Drive quickly and easily, this video is going to walk you through the entire process step by step. Whether you're organizing your documents, cleaning up old file names, or making your drive easier to search, renaming files is one of the simplest ways to stay organized. And the best part is, it only takes a few seconds. Before we begin, if you find this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this one. It really helps the channel grow, and it means you won't miss the next tutorial. Alright, let's jump into Google Drive. First, open Google Drive on the web. You can do this by going to drive.google.com and signing in with your Google account if you're not already logged in. Once you're on the main Drive page, take a moment to find the file you want to rename. This could be a document, spreadsheet, PDF, image, or any other file stored in your drive. If you have a lot of files, you can use the search bar at the top to make this faster. Just type part of the file name, a keyword, or even the file type to narrow things down. Once you locate the correct file, make sure it's the one you actually want to edit before moving to the next step. Now right-click the file. When you do that, a menu will appear with several options. In that menu, look for the option that says Rename. This is the tool you need to change the file's name without affecting the content inside it. Click Rename, and Google Drive will open a small text box where the current file name is highlighted. This means you can immediately start typing the new name. Delete the old name if needed, then enter the new file name you want to use. Try to make it clear and descriptive so you can find it easily later. For example, instead of a generic name like Document 1, you could use something more useful like Monthly Report, April 2026, or Client Notes, Project Alpha. After typing the new name, press Enter on your keyboard or click OK if that option appears. Google Drive will save the change right away, and the file will now display the new name in your drive. That's it. You've successfully renamed a file in Google Drive. If you want to stay organized, a great habit is to use consistent naming patterns across all your files. That can include dates, project names, version numbers, or category labels. It makes searching much easier later, especially if you work with lots of documents every day. And if you ever need to rename another file, just repeat the same process. Open Google Drive, find the file, right-click, choose Rename, type the new name, and press Enter. It's that simple. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and practical tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.